A close-up view inside a natural beehive showing thousands of symmetrical wax hexagon cells filled with golden honey. Honeybees are working together to build and strengthen the structure with their legs and a shiny substance from their stomachs. Soft golden light filters through the hive. Welcome to my channel. This is an actual real-life beehive. Let's go ahead and take a peek inside. There are literally thousands of these perfectly symmetrical wax hexagon cells, each and every one of them filled to the brim with golden honey. Look at this honey dripping down the side. Now, if we get a little bit closer, you can see that these cells are actually made by honeybees. They reworking together in a big group to build and strengthen the hive using their legs to push and pull and shape the wax. And then they also use this other shiny substance that comes from their stomachs to make the cells even stronger. Now, this right here is the queen bee. She is the only female in the entire hive that is able to lay eggs. And she lays thousands and thousands of eggs, which then hatch into male and female worker bees. Now, the males, or drones, as they're called, their job is to mate with the virgin queens. And when they do, they actually die. So it's kind of like a sacrifice. The females, or workers, they collect pollen and nectar from the plants outside and bring it back to the hive. They do all the work. The drones don't really do anything except for a mate with the queen. The workers, they build the honeycomb, they gather the food, they store the food, they protect the hive, and they also guard the queen. The queen, she does all of this by running the hive. She is the leader. She is the CEO of this entire operation. It takes about 50,000 bees to build this huge hive, and they're constantly adding new cells, making more honey, and expanding the hive as their population grows. Now, soft golden light filters through the hive, and you can see all these bees flying around. They're coming and going as they please, but they all work together in perfect harmony to make this hive thrive. If you look up towards the top, you can see a little crack in the hive. And this is where the bees come and go. This is their main entrance into the hive. Now, if you look down towards the bottom, you can see these little holes. These are the bees' eyes. They have 2 eyes on each side of their head, just like we do. But unlike us, they can see much better than we can. They can see colors that we can't even imagine. If you look very closely at the queen bee, you can see that she has no eyes. The only thing she does is lay eggs. She doesn't collect pollen. She doesn't make honey. She doesn't build the hive. All she does is lay eggs and keep the hive going. So next time you see a honeybee buzzing around, be sure to appreciate all the hard work that it does to make honey and support its colony. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.